welcome back to the Crystalina Perspective. In today's video, I have yet another planner review and unboxing. So if you're interested in watching me unbox the Planned and Proper Simply Yours Day Planner Hourly version, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is my actual Simply Yours Day planner. I have done a review on this planner. This is the pen that came with it. I am on the Planned and Proper creative team. So code She Wins or my link down in the description box will save you some money off of your Planned and Proper accessories or planners. If you still haven't gotten a planner for 2022, there are undated planners. So just to kind of give you guys a little peeky peek, I had been writing about my goals. I stopped because I was like, ooh, I kind of want that daily version of this planner, so I stopped. But I did decorate the first monthly. This monthly was totally bare. I was going to use this planner for work, but I changed my mind. I want another planner that I will be doing a review on that I felt was more suitable for work. This planner is going to basically host everything I need to do, but it's going to be the daily version. So as you guys can see, these pages are undated. So if you are interested in this planner, this is the undated horizontal version. I'll put a card somewhere at the top for you guys to check out the original unboxing of this planner, as well as for you guys to kind of see how it was packaged, what it looks like, and all of that. So y'all know I got this planner. Boom. Y'all, it is January the 3rd, and I cannot get my planner lineup correct, okay? So this is from Planned and Proper, and I'm so excited. This is the daily planner. So y'all know packaging is everything for me. Have us a beautiful sticker right there that says thank you. And we are going to open up this bad baby. Okay, y'all, out the gate. Sis is coming for our throats, okay? So we have this beautiful card that says Simply Yours Day Planner. It's funny because I have a bookmark from the company right here that I have not opened yet, but this is the Calm T version of this bookmark right here. Y'all, I have a lot of bookmarks like this. I'm loving these bookmarks. Just to kind of give you guys an idea, I have one. This one is from Gold Mine and Cocoa. This one is from Isis Ella Jules. I am loving these cute little bookmarks. But anyway, this is the one that I have from Planned and Proper, and I can't wait to use it in my daily planner because that is the planner I'm going to use for this year. I know I started working in my undated planner, but what I'm going to do is put that one in this box and store it, and then I'll use it next year. So y'all already know this packaging is everything. So I'm going to lift this planner up out of the box, and all the crinklies are falling out, but that's okay. Okay, y'all, so as you guys can see, this packaging is amazing. So first off, we have this beautiful Planned and Proper ribbon. I don't even want to untie it, y'all, but we have to untie it. So we are going to go ahead and untie it. I feel like this is a luxury product because of the ribbon and whatnot. Y'all, she thick. Ooh, she a little thickety thick. Okay, that's beautiful. So we have a Planned and Proper sticker right there. Y'all know I saved this ribbon. Look at this ribbon. Y'all cannot tell me that is not beautiful. Like, honey. So y'all, this is the packaging. This is how we stepping up in here, okay? So we're going to take this off. I tried to be gentle. Y'all, it's beautiful. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. and it's thick, y'all. She thick. Can y'all see? Like, OMG. She's thickety thick, and even more thicker than a snicker thick. Okay, so quick little comparison. This is the Simply Yours Day Planner hourly version, and this is the weekly horizontal version. So right off the back, a quick comparison. The covers are beautiful. I love the gold. Right off the back, we can tell that these are definitely a size difference of, obviously, if you have a 12-month daily planner, it's going to be thicker. So this is the weekly, this is the daily. As you guys can see, that coil is thickety thick and thick. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to compare is the inner pages. Now, in the horizontal version, we got our name engraved in it. Absolutely love that. I thought that was super duper cute. But in this one, this is the hourly. What is that? Y'all got lint everywhere. In this hourly, we basically do-it-yourself type deal. So I'm not necessarily opposed to that. I really did like seeing my name, though, in this planner. I don't recall it being a box you had to select or whatever. It could have been, and I could have totally missed it, but I'm not tripping. So we have This Planner Belongs To. We have a beautiful little spiel about how to use this planner. And it tells us that this is more than a daily agenda. Love that. And then once again, similar to the horizontal version, we get the holidays. Let me kind of see if I can go side by side. We get the holidays. Ooh, okay. So it looks like in this daily version, you got the 2022 holidays in the horizontal version, but then you get the 2022 and 2023 holidays in the daily version. Then we get this beautiful spread of the 2022 January, come on camera, January to December 2022 year, and then January to December 2023 year, like the horizontal planner. Oh, okay, this is different. So you get important contacts, and then you get to roll into the big plans and projects. So in the daily version, you get the big plans and projects off the gate. You get some vacation planning. You get 2 sheets of that. I wish there were more sheets of this vacation planning because it's not so overwhelming. It's very simple. You just write your destination, date, lodging, any fees, and your itinerary. This works for me because I don't like planning travel. I like enjoying travel, but I don't like planning it. So I wish it was more vacation pages. And then as you continue to flip over, on the website version, you have website passwords. And let's see. And then you have monthly bills in this daily planner. And then you have one single notes page, just like so. I use mine for reflections over the past year. And then we get into our organized tab. And yeah, it's looking like these planners kind of mirror each other. So let me see. We have brainstorming your big ideas, brainstorming continued, and then yes, it's the exact same thing. Actually, yes, the exact same thing. The different categories for you to basically write your long-term goal, and then of course you want to break long-term goals into short-term goals and then take action. So you have your different categories, which I absolutely love. And then you have just a long-term goal at a glance, your favorite quotes, your actions, and then we get into our monthlies. Now, this is where this differs. This is the only thing that I did not particularly care for in the undated version. I love the fact that you can do it yourself, but I really hated that there are no tabs. Or the option of like tab stickers in the back or something. No option for that. and that's okay. But I really wanted that option to be able to kind of make this more of my own with the tabs. So it's like completely blank, and like you fill in the blanks and whatnot. So we have January here. Oh, I love this. So we have January notes and to-dos, and then it looks like we get a monthly spread, which that's really nice. It has holidays in it for us. For those of us that, you know, may not necessarily have time to decorate, it's already there for you. And then here are our daily sheets. So it looks like the weekend is on one sheet together. And then this is Monday. So the date is up at the top. I love these different little areas. So we legit have a schedule to schedule out time blocks and things. You always can cover that if you need to and make it work for you. We have our to-do list, our current goals for us to reflect, any wellness or meal planning, water consumption, and our daily gratitude. So I am obsessed, guys, with this layout. This layout is so perfect, so simple. And then at the end of the month, you get a notes page, and then it continues into the next month with that notes and to-dos. And then of course you get your monthly, and then we get the note section. So I'm just going to flip all the way to the end. Y'all, this is a really nice planner. Oh my God. Okay. So at the end, you have, you have the notes section for December. And I love the fact that every space is utilized, okay? So then here we have a pocket similar to the pocket in this planner right here. So these are my planned and proper brochures I like to keep, as well as my stickers. So I'm going to take those out of this planner, and then I'm also going to take this off. And this is going to go back in the box. This planner was absolutely beautiful. I loved it. But this planner, I personally feel like if you are legit trying to conquer various areas of your life, this planner is seriously the way to go. Especially if you're busy, you may not have time to use like a ton of stickers to like bujo a daily, or you may not have a lot of time to like decorate. This is perfect. Like, it's functional, it's perfect. The pages are thick. I love this planner. Now, this isn't a planner, of course, that I would carry to work because I am a nurse. But as far as me being home, wanting to accomplish things, this is an amazing planner for that. I love that you get these different holidays. So if you wanted to create content around them, you could go add like little extra fun holidays to this as well. For example, National Sticker Day is coming up, so that would be a cool one to add. So y'all, this planner is nice, like seriously nice. I'm going to put that pin loop right there, like so. And look at there. I have a beautiful daily planner. Like, look at this cover. OMG, so pretty. So guys, this is my unboxing and review of the Simply Yours Day Planner. Creating a disciplined lifestyle. I can't talk, guys. Hands down recommend this planner. This planner is brilliant. For me, it's a must-have. I feel like it helps you to outline your goals, thoughts, whatever it is you're needing to get out. I feel like this planner creates that space. So guys, that's all that I have for you guys today. Please check out Planned and Proper. If you purchase a planner or any accessories, let your girl know. Let me know. Head on over to Instagram to the Crystalina Perspective and let me know your thoughts. And guys, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And until our next video, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.